Today we'll be exploring how love is expressed in the subreddit called Love Letters. So here we are interested in how the total number of posts grew over time, and you can see here that there is a spike around Valentine's Day of 2023, but there was also a flat line when the subreddit closed temporarily. Now with this visualization, you can explore the growth at different time frames by setting the start and end months. Next, we looked at sentiment. So between negative, neutral, and positive, we saw that most letters were indeed classified as being positive. And then looking at the relationship between sentiment and word count, we saw that longer letters were able to better express fully their emotions, and so the range here in sentiment score is a lot wider. Over time, we also saw that sentiment became more positive, and this could be because of community norms being adapted or different moderation. Next, we looked at the connections between the words that were used in the love letters. So here you can see in the axes that one end is woman and the other is man. And when we plot these different words, we can see that women are more associated with being emotionally intelligent. Interestingly, when we used younger words, so like girl and boy, these gender stereotypes were inverted. Here you can create your own by identifying what types of words you want on the axes labels, as well as what words you would like to be plotted. Lastly, we looked at the different topics and themes across these letters and identified 15 key topics. This is a bubble chart that really summarizes all of those relationships. But here in this last visualization, each of these nodes are letters, and you can see that nodes that are closer together are generally letters that share similar word usage. And within the topics themselves, sometimes there can be splits in language. So in idealistic soulmates, some are more skewed towards casual, whereas the other is skewed towards more sentimental language. And then here you can also see that time is very closely related to vulnerability. And to explore this visualization, you can hover over the topics to learn more about them, filter by the topics, also zoom in and learn about each post, seeing the original post, but also the different topic weights and the distribution within that letter.